You know what? I'm just gonna get lost. Fuck it. I'm not even gonna pull my map out. Getting lost with Harsh. And getting drunk with Harsh. Fuck are you looking at, Moose? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. Oh. 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 It's illegal to kill a moose with a katana. What am I supposed to use? I'm just gonna eat its raw meat out of its carcass. Because that's what I'm about. Dude, my forehead? It's like, it's like basically a forehead. Holy shit, you deserve to die. You scared me. Alright, I think this is a camp here, yeah. Oh, they're attacking each other. That's awesome. I'm just gonna take all this loot here, don't mind me. Alright, now that you're done and weak. There we go. Oh!
You say the Shrek word. Go ahead, say it. Say it! It's not gonna be racist! Say it!
Oh, look at this guy looking at me. I think he deserves a scold. Alright guys, listen. We can talk about this, okay? This doesn't have to... What the... This man is invincible! Did I just throw that spear through him? Oh my god, he's really after me. Dude, these guys are animals. Hold on. Let me GT the fuck out of here.
A few moments later.
What? Oh shit. Look at this motherfucker. Oh! Oh! Slice you up. Slice and dice. Slice and dice. I want all the energy. Yeah, you fucked him up, didn't you? That's crazy. Actually, you know what? Oh, you just killed a You just killed a mutant and all I did was just chop your arm off. That's crazy. Damn, this katana might be better than the guns. Alright, I think I'm done here.
Oh, well. King in the castle, king in the castle.
Dude, I want this chair for my base. Like, what the fuck? What are you looking at? You coming with me? Oh, there's a camp right there. What? What you doing, bro? Where you going? What the hell's going on down here? This guy's like crying about this thing because he doesn't know what this thing is. This thing just doesn't give a fuck. Excuse me, sir. Are you gonna attack me? What? Okay, you're getting too close to me. I don't like that. All right, fuck this shit.